Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the country on your Zara app in 2024. Whether you are traveling, relocating, or just want to see different collection, changing your country setting can be super helpful. So without any delay, let's dive right into the video. First, make sure you have the Zara app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check out my video on how to install it and then come back to this one. Now, open up your Zara app. Once you are inside the Zara app, head to your profile section. You can do this by tapping the little person icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile, look for the setting options and tap on settings. A new interface will open with various options. What you're gonna do is click on store option. There you'll see the country and the option to choose the other region. Tap on other region. Now click on the search bar or scroll down and browse through your desired region. I'll choose Canada and you can choose your language. I'll choose English. Now that you have changed the country, you can shop from the Zara store in that region, whether it's a new collection, local sales, or different product, and that's it. You have successfully changed the country on your Zara app in 2024. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like, share, and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.